So in this video I'm going to show you how to get your footage from looking like this to having the authentic film look. So as you can see, we are in Davinci Resolve and I've got a few clips from the Sony ZV-E10 with the standard picture profile. You can also shoot with a different camera with different picture profiles because you can convert them back to Rec. 709 in Davinci Resolve. So we go to the color tab. If you want to have the same look on all the clips in the timeline, you can go to clip over here and click on that and then go to timeline, and now we can make a new node with Option or Alt S, and then you can add the plugin here. But in this case I want to work in the clip base so that we can make specific adjustments to every single clip. So I would recommend to make about 2 or 3 nodes. The first one is for adjustments, so if you want to make some exposure adjustments before the plugin. Then we go to effects, and when you install de-answer is the plugin that we are going to use, you can drag it on here. And now as you can see, it already converted to footage. So first I want to go to film and I want to use one of the profiles. In this case I want to use the Kodak Vision 350D. Then I want to activate film compression. In this case they're not too harsh highlight, but if you have really harsh highlights, film compression can help. Then I want to go to print and I want to use a film print emulation LUT, the Kodak 2283, that is also available in Davinci Resolve itself. Then I want to adjust the tonal contrast a bit. The color density also needs a little bit of an adjustment. And now we can also go to film grain. And of course I want to use the 60mm. Same for halation, we activate halation. And then we go to 60mm Super 16. And now we've got halation. And as you can also see, we not only have 60mm, we also have 8mm, 35mm or even 65mm. I also want to activate bloom, so I activate that. And you also got the option to add film damage and film brief, and also gate weave and a vignette. And I just want to activate the vignette, that's enough for me. If you don't want to make your exposure or white balance adjustments in the first node, you can also make them here at the input. So this is how the first clip looks, and as you can see, it makes a huge difference when we see the before and the after. Now I just want to copy this by pressing Command C, go to the next clip and press Command V. And now we got the same look on this clip, but in this case I maybe want to make some adjustments. I don't want to use the Kodak 2383, I want to use the Fujifilm one, and this is what it looks like. Maybe adjust the tonal contrast, maybe go up here and adjust the exposure a bit. On this clip I just want to add the look from the first clip again, remove some of the contrast a bit, and I want to use the linear print, and we can adjust the contrast again. So you can play around a lot with this plugin. There's also a 10% discount code in the description, so if you want to use this plugin, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.